What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. I just want to keep you guys informed about a brand new update we have received for Expert RAW, which is a pro camera app for Samsung Galaxy phones. Most of you guys are already aware of Expert RAW application. This application offers some powerful manual controls on the camera to get the best out of your camera. It offers wider dynamic range, letting us capture a better image in the dark areas as well as in brightly lit areas. And this application has got a brand new update which adds a brand new feature as well. As you can see, the version number is 3.0.02.8. The update size is huge here. You can see 151.88 MB. And in the changelog, at least in my region, it doesn't talk about any new feature addition with this update. However, when I open the camera application, on the top right corner, you can see we have got a brand new option, the ND filter. And you can also see compared to the previous version, the icons have changed a bit here and we have got an additional icon to change the megapixels from 12 megapixel to 50 megapixel. In the previous version, we did not have this option. Now coming back to the ND filter, let me just quickly tell you what exactly this is all about. ND filter is nothing but a neutral density filter, which is an attachment to the cameras. It's a piece of glass which reduces the light or modifies the intensity of light getting into the camera lens. In brightly lit daylight, the ND filter will be very effective in capturing better images. Now on most of the cameras, we get to attach this piece of glass to reduce the amount of light getting into the lens. That is what ND filter is all about. Now coming to the Expert RAW application, we have got this ND filter option. By enabling this, the app will reduce the amount of harsh light seen on the viewfinder. Obviously, this is not a physical device, so it is not reducing the intensity of light coming from outside, but the software is making it look better if you're capturing the image in a brightly lit area. Now, this cannot be enabled when you're in slightly darker conditions. It says not available with the current picture size. We can only enable this on 12 megapixel mode, not on 50 megapixel mode, so be wary of that. So if at all you're taking a picture on 50 megapixel mode, you cannot turn on the ND filter. Now, as you can see, when I tap on this icon, you can see the filter strength here, which is 2, and I can use the slider to increase the ND filter strength up to 1000. So in case if you want to make the picture look darker and make it look as if it is taken in the night, during the day, you can use the ND filter and use the highest strength possible. You can use it for that purpose as well. And whenever you're taking the images in the brightly lit conditions under the sunlight, you can adjust the strength depending on the requirement and take a better image. This is the brand new feature which has been added on the Expert RAW application now. And it again may not be available on all the Galaxy phones. As of now, I can see this feature on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. On the S22 Ultra, I haven't got the update yet. You may be getting it very soon, so stay tuned. I will keep you guys posted. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.